Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and I threw Dot back in there just because, guys, we hit our target at 35, like I said we were going to do, which is a beautiful thing. We crushed it. But we start off with Bitcoin. Guys, we talked about this double bottom. We talked about I did a video earlier this morning where I said, guys, this is the trade. I wanted to make sure you guys knew. We broke it. Boom. Went to the upside. Now we're getting nice support off my purple box. Beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. If you're short term in this is great. Of course, we long term this. I started this channel back here on the downtrend, guys. We were making money on we were buying these tops and selling these bottoms, buying these tops. Buying the bottoms, selling the tops, buying the bottoms, selling the tops on every single one of these, guys. And then I drew this out months. I drew this out months before it was going to happen to talk about the bump and run, and we got the bump and run. Everything so far since I started my channel 3 months ago has worked out perfect, guys. Perfect. We are still above 90% winning percentage on my channel still. And when I started this channel, I started it just because I wanted to help people. I wanted people to be successful. I wanted people to make money. I wanted to give out the love to you guys. All right, because for me, I received a lot. You know, I've done a lot of hard work. Don't get me wrong. This has been years of me doing this, guys. Years and years of me doing this. But I wanted to share it with you guys because I wanted to spread the love. I'm not doing this for any other reason, just to help you guys. And I'm just so happy that everything that we're doing is working to the almost to the dollar, or if not, we were just nailing every target. We're just doing everything just perfect. And I can't be more proud of what I'm doing here and of you guys that are taking these trades and of you guys that are learning from this. I am so happy when I'm reading the comments and you guys are making money. This is why I created this channel. And guys, yes, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But guys, we're up over 90%. Short-term trades, long-term trades, whatever you want. We've called every single one of these moves. I could pull up one of my old charts where you can see where we literally called these bottoms and tops. It is absolutely. And then if you look at my old video, I talked about the bump and run all the way back here, guys, in June. I said, and then I drew this exact move out. Exactly, boom, 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 everything. I drew it out with my little drawer, and we've got it perfect. And so far, I am just so happy for you guys that we're doing this and we're doing this correctly. I love crypto. I love technical analysis, and we were just killing it. 90% plus winning percentage. Guys, I love all you guys, and we're going to keep this up. So Bitcoin, guys, to me is still looking good. There's nothing to be scared about. We are getting my bounce right now off my purple box. Look, guys. Look at this. We're hitting the low of the day. We're almost at my box right now. So let's see if we could get above. What I want to see now is I want to see this 4-hour candle closing. We did get actually a little bit above it, I believe. But I want to see the solid part of this now get above here. Let's meet our target. But I do believe we are going to break above this target eventually and get up into this 55 to maybe 56 area. And then I'd be looking for maybe a pullback on Bitcoin. Ethereum nailed this one too, guys. Boom, called this morning. If you guys didn't watch this morning video, check it out. You guys can see how I called all these trades. Got our bounce right off my purple box, right off of where I said, boom, got the trade, got it. Boom, killed it. Of course, I think maybe a little sideways and then up. This is going to be a slow trickle. Bitcoin, I think after this move, it's going to slow down a little bit, slow trickle, maybe a little bit of pullback. I wouldn't be scared about Bitcoin unless we get under 48,500. Then I'd look bearish. But until then, guys, this is trickling upside to me. Maybe a pullback here and there, but we're going to go up in the long run. Same thing with Ethereum, guys. Maybe a little pullback and bounce and then go, but we're going higher in this move. Cardano, another one. We called this out this morning. I drew this out. I actually just erased this, these lines because I drew the lines out for you guys in the video I did earlier. We got this move. I said, guys, we break this trend. Solid candle close. Well, we got an hour candle close, then we broke above my 288, and it was off to the races. I don't like the way this pulled back. I don't like the way how we got rejected here, and we're coming back down a little bit. That's kind of frustrating, but that was a nice little short-term move, guys. And most of my moves, guys, some of these moves are for short-term traders. We had the W pattern back here where we exploded once we broke this line here. Boom, we called that move too. Oh, we called all these moves. Every single one of these. When we caught these bottoms and sold these tops. That's what we did on all my trades. Okay, even on Ethereum, guys. When I first started my channel, all the way back. If we go all the way back, if we go all the way back on the daily, guys, we caught this bottom, this double bottom. We caught this in the 1700 range. Okay, and we haven't looked back since. Okay, so because I went long on Ethereum, then I sold my Ethereum, and then I bought back in here and I went long again on it. Same thing with Cardano. Okay, we went long on Cardano at $1. All right. So I do have, guys, I do have two trading portfolios. I have my long-term accounts, and then I have my short-term accounts, which I just trade. My long-term obviously is something that I keep for long-term, which Cardano is my long-term at $1.40, yeah, or $1.04, $1.04, not $1.40. I don't want you guys beat me up in the comments for that, but and we did make that move on my YouTube channel, guys. Everything I've done has been it's been on YouTube. I can't make up 90% winning percentage. I can't make up any of the stuff I'm saying because you guys can just go back and watch the videos and know that, okay, well, he did say that. Well, I mean, it's a beautiful thing because it's like a ledger, and I'm playing it out for you guys, and I'm just so happy that all these moves are working. Matic, we had this move. I talked about maybe coming back down here. I'm not good at drawing, guys. So let me just erase this. My drawing is horrible. But even all these little scribbles here. But we did come back. Now there's two things that can happen. We are trading in this range right here. Okay. Around 186, 179 the high. This is where we need to break. We want to break above it to go higher. 160 is looking like nice support right now. So there's two things that can happen here that we'd be looking out for. Trade a little sideways in this range and either break down, or we're going to trade sideways and break up. I mean, there's only two options there, right? So let's see what kind of pattern develops within this box here, from this area to this area. Let's see what kind of pattern we can get. Because if we can get a nice little double bottom, like on an hourly or a 4-hourly like that, then yeah, we can break above this and go. Or if it flips over to an M pattern and then it breaks down, and then we'll know if there's more downside. I don't know if that makes sense. It's a lot of drawing. I'm not good at drawing, guys, but that's the idea. So we're going to look for a pattern within the pattern. That's my game plan with Matic, and that's how I'm going to play this game. So, but you got a range. We're in this range. We're going to trade in this range, maybe sideways. Anytime something makes a big move like it has, you look for a little maybe sideways action. So maybe a little sideways, then up or down, depending on what it does on the shorter time frames. We could see if it's going to break resistance and test back down in this area, or maybe let's see, this area actually, if I can get this locked on, maybe around $1.53. That could also be. So let's do this. We'll make it nice and easy for you guys. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. Boom. So these two purple boxes, okay? This is what we're going to watch for short term, all right? Dot, guys, come on, man. Nailed our target. Today, we've nailed our target at $35 to the T. Got it perfect. I've been calling this move, and I called this move, and we had this little bounce, and people were doubting, and I was like, man, just guys, don't worry, we're gonna get up there. And we got up to the target. We nailed it. Awesome. And I can't be more happy for some of you guys, because I know some of you guys did take that trade, which is awesome. So we nailed dot. We nailed the Matic move. Okay, this is not the chart. Remember, we had the W pattern right here on the, what was it, hour chart? Oh no, was it 4 hour? 4 hour? No, it was hour. Where is it? Let's see. We're gonna find this. We had the double bottom. Oh, right here. We had the double bottom right here. Then we broke above. Then I had my line right here. But this is actually the wrong chart that I had it on, so that's my bad. But yeah, we called all this moves, and we hit our target. We got our bounce. Let's see what happens off the bounce here. Dot hit our target. Cardano is frustrating, I might say. But still, guys, it's still in an uptrend. I mean, if you look at the long term, I know it's currently on a downtrend when it comes to short term right here from here to here. But if you look overall, we go to the daily, guys. Let's just zoom out. Let's just zoom out. Look, this is an uptrend, guys. Maybe a little sideways and up, but this is an uptrend. Until we break down this trend, then I would be worried about coming back down here, maybe to the 231 area. But I don't think that's going to happen, especially with everything that's coming up here. But we'll see. You never know. We just watch. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Everything plays out sometimes a little unexpected than we expected. So, but yeah, so we'll see. But guys, everything's looking good still. No panic here. No panic. Ethereum. Let's see. Ethereum. And we nailed this one too, guys. So if you guys get a chance, watch my earlier video. You guys will see that, we did this. We did all this earlier. We nailed everything. And I'm happy that you guys took the trades. I was getting a lot of nice comments. So listen, much love to all you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel, Moondog Trading. Okay, make sure you hit the bell, hit the all, because this way, sometimes they shadow banned. And I know I say this in all my videos, but it's true, because some people say, I didn't see your video. You got to hit the bell and hit the all, because that's how you make sure you see all my videos, okay? And I'm also going to put a link to TradingView, which is the platform for some of you guys that are just watching my videos for the first time. I'm going to look, Bitcoin's already going higher. I'm going to put TradingView into the description as well, which is free, guys. Now there is going to be pop-ups. Don't freak out. That's normal. When you do the free thing, there's pop-ups on it. It's normal. Okay, so don't freak out. But yeah, TradingView is what I'm using. I'll put a link in the description. If you guys do decide to pay, you don't get the pop-ups, and you also get more indicators and stuff like that to use, access to more tools, and things of that nature. So yeah, and you also, if you use my link, you get a $30 off. So if that's something you guys want to do, that's something you can do. So listen, guys, I think that's it for tonight's video. Much love to you guys. I'm happy that all you guys that watched my video earlier, that you guys made some of those trades, because a lot of people like they like to use leverage and they like to make trades. That's fine. That's fine. You guys, much love to all you guys. Short term, long term, we do it all on this channel. And I'm just glad that we've caught all these bottoms and called the tops. And some of you guys that I got comments, and some of you guys held through some of the bottoms, because you watch my videos and I told you guys, don't panic. We're going higher. And, that makes me feel good, because I started this channel because we were in such a downtrend. We went from 64 and on, I think it was Stock Tweets. I actually started shorting Bitcoin at 61,000, because I thought 64 was the top. And I was telling everybody 64 was it. That's it. We're going down. I put in a position, and then I closed it, and then I started to go long again, guys. And then I just started trading, back and forth. But I did open some long positions on it as well. But guys, I was, if you guys follow me on Stock Tweets, I mean, come on, we were buying Bitcoin when it was $3,000 and $4,000. So yeah, I did buy some at 5, and we talked about. I remember someone tried to, like, I don't know, make fun of me about a golden cross or something, and it was like me saying buy Bitcoin at 7 grand. I'm like, I look back at those comments and I'm like, man, you know, the haters will be haters. You're gonna get them, but you gotta love them at the same time. I love everybody. I love all you guys, and that's the beauty of it. It makes me feel good. It keeps me competitive. It keeps me wanting to do this just for you guys, because I started this channel for all you guys out there to succeed, and I'm just so happy for you guys. So listen, much love. I'll put everything in the description for you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. We're gonna keep this 90% plus winning percentage on my channel, and that's what we're here to do. So we're gonna keep that thing going, and it looks like we are gonna keep it going. So much love to you guys. Peace out. And thank you guys for watching my videos.